20 rupees ఇద్దాం. 100 కాదు 20 రూపీస్. ఎంజాయ్. ఇగో లోహిత్ సాయికి 20 రూపాయలు. పో క్లాస్ పోయినా ఎంజాయ్. నడు ఉరుకు. Who's making bicycle? Shyam Bengal is making a bicycle. Okay. Okay, Mujibur Rahman. Okay. So another number, the next number has got another history number. This was a year when Rajiv Gandhi won his, I think Indian history, the largest number of seats won by a single party was in this year. Which was the year? 84, yes. మీ ఫాదర్ చెప్పిండు కదా నీకు. మీ ఫాదర్ చెప్తే ప్రైజులు లేవు, నీకు తెలుసు ప్రైజులు. ఓకే, రైట్ డౌన్ 8 and 4, 84. ఓకే, దా వచ్చేదా 10 రూపీస్. మీ ఫాదర్ చెప్పిండు కాబట్టి. 84, రాజీవ్ గాంధీ. After Indira Gandhi's death, with the first election, Rajiv Gandhi won, I think, more than 450 seats or something like that. ఏం పేరు నీ పేరు? రాజీవ్ గాంధీ తెలుసా నీకు? ఓకే, the next number, 2 hockey sticks, 7 and 7, 77. I want to give a prize to, I'm just trying to find out. This is another double number. Can anyone guess? Someone said 44. 4 and 4, 44. Please write down 44. Okay, the next number is last of the. Okay, it's not last of the. It's 3 and 0, 30. 3 and 0, 30. This one single quarter is what? One single quarter? 25. Quarter and chala mandiki vere quarter anukuntada. So this quarter is different. It's 2 and 5, 25. 25 mani chala mandi cheppiru already. One quarter I said 25. 2 and 5, 25. Jaldi 5. Rendu mari. Okay. Are avuna asalu agada marchipoyinam. Ma'am, please come here. Madam, ticket anu isko babu. Brooklyn, get the ticket. Jaldi 5. Check the numbers okasari. Numbers cheppu. Jaldi 5. Coupon lo Jaldi 5 is 21 undi. 25, 44, 79, 79, yes. 84, yes ma'am. Madam ki evarana 500 rupees ichchesayandi. She can't come here. What's her name? So Jaldi 5 is over. 3 lines and 2 full houses are left. Pair madam? Samata Roshni, one Rama friend unnatundi. Dr. Samata Roshni. Jaldi 5, 500 rupees ma'am.